Payoneers receiving accounts may not appear due to incomplete verification, account restrictions, regional availability, or technical issues. These are not always instantly available after sign-up. Common causes and fixes. Check Verification Center. Log in to Payoneer Settings, Verification Center. Complete any pending requests, ID upload, questionnaire, or beneficiary details. Accounts often unlock after full verification. Request accounts. Go to Receive, Receiving Accounts, or Global Payment Service. If eligible, request missing currencies. If unavailable, it may be due to your country or account activity. Account eligibility. New accounts sometimes need $50,000 to $5,000 in payments from marketplaces like Upwork, or Fiverr before receiving accounts activate. If restricted, contact support. Clear cache, try different device, refresh browser, clear cache, or use the Payoneer app to your mobile site. Some users see accounts on app but not desktop. Contact support. Open a ticket via help. Contact us or email support@payoneer.com with your account ID and issue screenshot. Provide details like country and requested currencies.